Welcome back to the Phone Transformer. Today I'll show you how to get Papyrus font on Instagram on phone. It's quick and easy. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure it's updated to the latest version for the best experience. Step 2. Tap the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. This is where you start creating new content. Step 3. Select Story from the menu at the bottom. This will take you to the story creation screen. Step 4. Take a fresh photo or upload an existing image from your gallery as the background for your text. Step 5. Tap the text option at the top of the screen. This lets you add custom text to your story. Step 6. Scroll through the font options and choose Comic Sans. This is the key to unlocking the Papyrus effect. Step 7. Type the word Papyrus first, then enter your actual desired text right after it. This tricks Instagram into changing the font. Step 8. Delete just the word papyrus, but keep your main text. Now, your words will magically appear in the papyrus style. Step 9. Adjust the font color, background, or resize the text using 2 fingers to make it look perfect. Step 10. Place the text wherever you want on the screen and hit share to post your stylish papyrus story. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.